Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can update Instagram app on your Android device. Please subscribe to the channel. Put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. To do this, we'll need to open the Play Store or Google Play. Here we are in the search engine at the top, where the search engine bar is. Type in the word Instagram, or choose it if you've already searched for it. Then click on either the label or the word Instagram. Here we see the word update. Click on it. And we can see that the update process has started. It says percentages, and around the icon there is a circle, which when it comes to the end, it will mean that your Instagram offer is updated. Well, that's how easy and simple it is to update your Instagram app on your Android device. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Put your likes. See you soon.